How to activate safe mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. By default, hidden safe mode on your Samsung device. To access hidden safe mode, tap long press the side key or power button on your device. You can see the power menu. Now long press the power up button. You can see the safe mode. Tap again to restart your phone in a safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled when you enter into safe mode. Now tap the safe mode icon. Now you can see your Samsung device restart into the safe mode. When turning on your device, you can see safe mode icon. Wait until turn on your Samsung device into safe mode. Safe mode is helpful if you want to check any third-party application causing the issue on your Samsung device or not. Also sometimes helpful to fix app crashing or phishing issue or your Samsung device slow. So you need to enter your Samsung device into safe mode and check any application or downloaded application causing the problem or not. Now you can see your phone is starting. You can see the safe mode icon at the bottom left corner, safe mode. Now open the app drawer and you can only access the system default application. All downloaded application will be hidden or disabled on your device like this. Just tap the application you want to access. Now you can see app disable option. So if you can't find any problem in the safe mode, it means any downloaded app causing the problem on your device. So you need to exit the safe mode and find the third party application that will causing the problem like app crashing, app freezing, slow down your Samsung device and other issue. To exit the safe mode, you need to restart your device or power off your device. So here we restart my device. Long press the side key. Tap the restart button at the top. Tap again to restart your Samsung phone. Now you can see restart your Samsung device. You need to wait until turn on your Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device. And you can see remove the safe mode icon from the bottom left corner. And you can also access all downloaded application on your Samsung device. So wait until restart your device. Now you can see restart the phone. It will take time. Now you can see phone is starting and you can see remove the safe mode icon from the bottom left corner on your Samsung device. Or you can also access the third party application or downloaded application on your device. So quite easy to activate or deactivate safe mode on your Samsung S24 FE and other One UI 6.1 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.